Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Tech Rodi, and I upload this video for a very long time. So today my topic about Intel ME. Intel ME is the main of Intel management engine. If you want to read about more what is a Intel ME, so you check out this website, or maybe you're gonna to check Intel's official website. Wait, this is about Intel ME critical firmware update. So basically this is a firmware, like in your computer have a already firmware we call BIOS. In BIOS we have a like many reason, like MB reason, text reason, or BIOS reason. And MB reason, it's like it's a computer inside on your computer, like if you physically use your computer. And Intel ME management engine is also a computer on your computer. It's located on your BIOS, and it's also in your platform controller hub, or we also call PCH. Yeah, platform controller hub. It's maybe on here, like this chip. So it's a very long topic. So my topic about how we clean ME region in your BIOS. So why we need a clean ME region? If your ME region is corrupted on your BIOS, you also may face many kind of issue, slow booting. You press the power button and you got after very long time you got a display. And if you use, in some case you're using a laptop, and it will shut down within 30 minutes, maybe in 1 hour. And like this kind of many problems you face with if your ME region is corrupted. So today my topic about how we can clean Intel management engine. Yes, it's a computer repair business regarding topic. Like this is a unique topic. If you are from a computer repair business, this is very helpful for you. So I also open my own shop, Gadgets Clinic. It's a computer repair shop in my city, so Ludhiana, Punjab. So today we know how we can clean Intel management engine. So let's start it, don't waste time. So I am gonna find BIOS. Okay, let's try this. Wait, hold on a second. Data. Okay, suppose that you have a HP laptop, for example, and you have two BIOS, one for EC BIOS and second for main BIOS. You need to copy or backup your old BIOS. Like I have a BIOS folder. Oh wait, sorry about that. Okay, BIOS folder, and we try with this HP BIOS. So this is a main BIOS and this is a EC BIOS. So we need a 4 MB. It's about 4 MB BIOS. Okay, it's on a 4 MB BIOS. So we copy it and make a new folder, ME clean, and paste here. So how we know this is my what kind of version already have this, like BIOS ME version, or how we can clean it's a newer version or it's an old. So I have a tool called ME analyzer. So this is a tool for check which version we have and it's in latest or not. So let's drag it here and hit enter. Wait, okay, it's tell me it's family ME, it's version 1.7 point, sorry, I'm sorry, my mistake. It's an 7.1.3.1053, and it's a release date. This is a size of our ME region file. So this is about date, and it's not a latest version. You see here, it's not a latest version. So now we clean this BIOS ME region with the latest version. I have another tool. It will tell you what kind of region have BIOS. Okay, it's an Intel image. So here descriptor region, ME region, BIOS region. There are 3 regions inside one BIOS program file. So now we clean this region, and you also see here version 7.1.3. okay, let's start it. So I have a tool to clean ME region. So I have folder ME again. Okay, wait, tools. Okay, new tools. Okay, now our version start. Okay, wait, it start from 7. Okay, my version start from 7.1. so I find for 7. Okay, I find this one. Open this tool again, open. Okay, not this folder, flash image tool 1.7.1.13. I go with this one, or maybe okay, I'll try this one. Okay, first, then I run this software. Okay, now it's open interface like that. So our file, so open desktop. Okay, ME clean, select all file, and this is our file. So open it and wait for just okay, and wait for few seconds. Now it's loaded. See here, ME region. So it's detect my Intel chipset, platform controller hub chipset. So just ME binary input file, just double click on here, click yes, and choose file location. Before you select file, make sure you always see what the size of this, like it's an 812 KB. So let's try with this size. Okay, desktop ME, I'm sorry, data ME again. Now we find a firmware from start 7. It's in a version 7. You must change this last digit, but you don't change these two number, like build number 7 or 1. Don't change this number. You can change 3 or after that, but don't, I'm gonna tell you again, don't change these two numbers. 1.7, this is the build version. Okay, so it start from 0. It's not for our ME. So it's 7.1 current version. I think we isn't clean this BIOS because wait a minute, maybe it's not work for this BIOS. I don't know why. Let's open it. Okay, go ahead and hit build. Okay, done. Let's try with why I'm gonna do this, I will tell you later. So hold a second. No. Okay, let's try with the new version. One point 7.1.80. Let's try with this one. If this one successful, build. Okay, done. First I will try. So where is our new file? So here I open this tool and I find build. In this folder we run this software, and don't close this software right now, just minimize it and go to build. There are two files, one out image dot map or out image dot win. This is our file, so I go ahead and cut it and paste here. That's it, and I close this one, and now I open this software again. Okay, Intel ME, this is a new one, and I drag this file here. Okay, now you see version latest, and let's okay, hold on. Okay, wait. Now you see difference between these software. ME same family, but here 7.1.3.1053 and here 7.1. See, I won't change these two number, build number. This is both are same for new and old, but I change about after this, one I change these 3 to 80 and 11 to like this. And now my file is clean with the latest ME region. So that's it. Now if I want to rename, I copy this name. Hold on, I copy this name, rename, paste, clean ME. Okay, now I write this file to my BIOS chip, and I got my BIOS region is clean. And you also see the both file size is already same, 4 MB. That's my today's video about Intel ME region. So hope you like it, and please subscribe my channel. I need your support. If you want, I upload new topic about computer repairing field, so please make sure you subscribe my channel and like my videos. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.